This has been broadcast to you by Marish Karalera.